Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. I wish you all a very happy new year. So I'm back with another video today, and the topic for this video is I want to speak about the presence of God in our lives. Right before starting this video, I have a disclaimer. When I say God, I am not specifically talking about one particular religion, because I am a spiritual being. I believe there is only one creator, and till the time human beings are worshipping the creator and not the destroyer, any religion on this planet is so beautiful. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Now see, let's take it this way. As a human being, we are here to experience human life, right? So human life is comprises of two things, that is both good experiences and the bad experiences. But when we go through good things, we tend to take all the credits on ourselves, right? When some good things happen to us, we say like, you know what, I have earned it, you know, I made this, I have done this. We do that. But when we go through bad things, then we hardly want to take any responsibility of our own lives, right? Yeah, I believe God has his unique ways of telling us that he is always present in our lives. But you know, sometimes as a human being, we get so indulged in these worldly things that we don't even get time to realize and recognize that there is a creator, right? There is a creator of this beautiful world, right? The universe, who has created it. There is a creator who is having an eye on us, all of us, right? But yeah, as a human being, if we get so much indulged in the worldly things, then we fail to understand it, we fail to recognize him. But I believe if you are near and dear to him, then he will make sure that, you know, he will make sure that you are going to recognize him. And he does this in a very unique ways. Okay, so on basis of my life, what I have experienced is, if you are loved by the God, then you know what we say, if you are loved by the God, then you will not have to face any kind of difficult or challenges in your life. That's not the fact. If you are loved by the God, then he will make sure that you are going through all kind of challenges in your life, and you think you are going through and you are facing all the challenges all alone. That's not the fact. He is always there with you, because in an extreme situation also, we have a light in us, right? We, all of us has something. If we realize, then in our most difficult time also, there is some power, there is some power which is guiding us, which is telling us what to do, which is giving us some kind of encouragement, which is showing us the right path, right? So this is not happening all by our own selves. We think that we are going through everything all alone, but that's not the case. If you are loved by the God, then your life will start right from your childhood. You know, you will start living a very difficult life right from your childhood. Trust me, he will give you all kind of challenges from your early childhood itself. That is not because he does not love you. Again, I'm telling you, he loves us. He gives challenges to only those children of him whom he loves so much, because he wants to give us some sort of responsibility, right? He thinks that, you know, we are capable of doing it, we are capable of handling all kind of things. That is the reason he makes sure that you are going through all kind of difficult times in your life. And yeah, on basis of my experience, what I have been through is, if you are loved by the God, then he will make sure that you will have a very difficult childhood, you will have all kind of difficulties in your life. I grew up all alone. Okay, I grew up not sharing my a single thing with anyone in my entire childhood. I always shared everything with the God, you know. I always had that light inside of me, which said like, you know, I belong somewhere there. I have someone over there. If not in this world, then I have someone over there. I had that light from my childhood itself, and I always grew up sharing my challenges, my things, my problems, my everything with that higher power. That was with me from my childhood itself. Okay, that time I did not realize. I used to do it so naturally. I thought like it was natural. I mean, for me it was very natural. And yeah, now I realized that, that thing which I shared my difficult times with, which I shared my problems with, that was the God, right? Now I realize, at this age I have realized it. Okay, that time back then this used to happen with me, but that was God whom I was talking to. So I believe, yeah, he was always with me. Now at this age I have recognized it. Even after, going through all kind of challenges by our own selves, right, and accepting all the difficulties whatever he has to offer us, and with a wide smile on our face, we will just face all the challenges. But still, after carrying a very good heart and having good intentions for everyone, beside that also we have to face all kind of disappointments in our life. No one will understand us, right? There will be a point where, you will be thrown at the rock bottom, right? You will hit the rock bottom of the life. There cannot be anything beyond that phase. That will be the extreme of your life. Extreme things will happen, and that is the time when God actually will come to lift you up, because that is the time when this world will show their real faces, right? Everyone will live your life. Okay, you will be all alone, dying alone basically. So that time, whom will you call for help? No one is there. So that is the time you actually call the Creator from your heart, right? And that is the time when he shows up in your life, and he comes and he tells you why all these things were important to happen with you, right? Yeah, now when he actually shows up in our life and tell us about the things and enlighten us with all the facts, and we all have the answers now, right? Why all such things were important to happen to us, why all these things happened to us. Now we will have all the answers. He will actually answer us in all the possible ways, right? And now when we have answers, when we have that clear mind, and when we have that clear heart, we are able to work on ourselves, right? We understand it, we understand the worldly things, we now have all the answers. Now is the time when we actually will start working on ourselves, because now this is the point where we know that what belongs to me, I'm going to carry that. Because most of us, what we does is, we are carrying all the baggages from our childhood, and the baggages which did not belong to us, baggages from this person, that person, from the world, everything we are carrying inside of us. But when we have answers, when we are enlightened, then we understand it very well, what belongs to us and what does not belong to us, right? So this is the point when we will drop what does not belong to us. Now we will take responsibility of our own life, when we will understand, what, I am responsible for my life, right? I'm not responsible for what world has to say about me. What world has the perception about me is none of my concerns, right? Because I am the one who have been living my life. I am the one who knows my story. I am the one who have actually been through all kind of things. So why do I have to care about who says what, basically? Now this is the point when we will leave all the baggages behind, and we will work on ourselves. Now when we work on ourselves, then we are very clean from inside. When we clean from inside and clean from here, then we have a very clean slate in our lives. Now when we are clean, we naturally grow and glow. Now when this grow and glow happens, then your personality changes in a drastic way. You will actually grow, you will actually evolve as a human being. Now this will be the time when you will have a very new perspective about your own life, right? You will feel very proud of yourself, you will count all the achievements, and you will be so strong, and you always know that God is always with me. So how proud moment that could be for a humankind. If you are getting to experience God in your life, that should be the most precious thing a human being could earn in their entire lifespan, right? So now you have done that. Now you don't have to worry about it. Now when all such things happen, when we work on ourselves, when we work on our inner ones, there is a process, I believe. God will now again test you with all the things, whatever happened, whatever made you feel bad about yourself in previous times. Now you will face same things again. Okay, you will have to see all the challenges again in the same way, but this time when you have already worked on yourself and you have already achieved your higher self, you do not care. I mean, whatever challenges come, the challenges are not affecting you the way it was affecting you earlier. That's how it works. That's how God works. God will actually wipe off all the pain. God does that. Okay, and this is the point when He will retest us. He will give us the same challenges what He gave us before, but now this time we are so strong that it does not even affect us. We have all the answers, we know everything, so we face it with a just quick smile. And so that is the time when He knows, okay, you have worked on yourself, now you are ready to go on your life path, right? This is the thing where He was actually preparing you for something big. He was actually preparing us for something big. Whatever He was thinking of giving us, then He will give us this time. When we get rid of all the baggages, when we work on ourselves. So that is the thing. Now we recovered from everything. We are a strong human being now, and now is the time when we are so connected with ourselves and we are so connected with the Creator. Now when we are connected to the Creator, when we are connected with Him all the time, then your life, whatever comes, doesn't matter. Whatever big challenges also does not matter, because you can face it now. God is with me. That, right? Why He has given it to you. When you have answers to things, then it is very easy for us to understand. So I have already spoken so much about the God and the presence of God in our life in this video, right? So I think this should be enough for today and this video, and I will see you guys next time with another video, another interesting video. And I mean, through this video what I'm telling you is, when we go through all the darkest time in our life, then we have to believe that God is with us. There is some higher power which is always having an eye on us, which is actually guiding us, which is with us, facing all the things with us. So we have to believe that, we have to rely on Him, we have to count on Him, we have to call Him, and He actually comes. He is there. He actually comes. He comes. Whoever calls Him from inner heart, He comes to those people. So please call Him, please be connected with the Creator, and our life is so easy, and enlightened life is always an easy life. If not easy, then it's a good life. So thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye.